Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lydia and today's video is a life update, where I've been and what's coming to this channel. So I've been gone for 2 months. It feels like longer than that. Probably just because I haven't been able to edit much, but now I do have a lot of time, so I think now it's time you guys know where I've been for 2 months. And no, it wasn't just because I was just not wanting to film or edit. It's because I was busy. So let's start way back in April. Basically with that, I had my senior banquet, which was really fun. And then I had my theater banquet, which was May 3. May 5, I had State Festival for Choir, and we walked around downtown area, which was so much fun. And then I saw a musical, Something Rotten, which was really fun. And then May 10 was my very last choir concert with high school, which is bittersweet because I'm gonna miss it. But there were some great memories there. And then 12, I decorated my graduation cap, which is Little Mermaid theme. Which was really fun. With our school, we are not allowed to have decorated caps for the actual ceremony. So I actually do have just the one I wore for graduation, but for pictures I did have this one. And then May 13, my mom took some graduation pictures because I know that I wouldn't have time after, so we took a lot of those, which I'll have up on the screen. And then I set off a confetti cannon as well for some of the pictures, which was really fun. And then I had a friend who came over, and then I had another one that came over, and we did some powder puff shirts, and we designed them. So May 12 was my graduation cap. May 13 was graduation pictures. May 15, my mom taught me how to make chocolate chip cookies because I owe a few people some cookies, so she taught me how to make them. She really made them this time, but she's showing me how to make them. May 17, there was a powder puff game, but I did not play, but I had a lot of friends who did. It was really fun to watch. We won, which was really fun. And at the end of the night, I had On the Border takeout, which was really good. May 18, I got a job, which might make uploading a little difficult, but I think I have a good schedule right now, so I don't think that will change anything for right now, but if it does, I'm looking. And then I actually got Chick-fil-A. I didn't even realize I got the job. I had Chick-fil-A and then I got the email, which was really exciting. And then I got to perform in a play that evening. May 19 was the senior last day. We decorated cars, threw paper down the balcony, which was so much fun. I've been wanting to do that for so long, so that was exciting. I actually left my last class, which I finished something with film production. And I just could not wait. I was watching the clock, like how much longer. And it was just fun to see all my friends, seniors come and like have all their paper, and they found paper and the recycling and all that ready just to dump out. That was so cool. May 20, I was getting ready for my open house, and then May 21 was my open house, and that was so much fun. I absolutely loved decorating a lot of stuff and setting things up. That was really fun. We had donuts, which were really good. We actually have some in the freezer still. We just finished the taco meat, finally, but it was so good. Yeah, so we had tacos and donuts, and we had Lydia trivia, which I was kind of surprised a lot of people got the answers right. Only one person actually won the whole thing. I'm not too surprised, but I was just like, I had a hunch. Yeah, but I did that because I thought it'd be fun with people just to see how much they actually knew about me. And May 23, I graduated. It is so weird to say that. It has not hit me yet. Just the other day, I was driving down the road where my school is at, and I was like, oh, there's your old high school. it's not gonna hit me until like next year. I'm not getting 100 emails from school. And then May 25. Oh, I went to the choir concert. That was for a different choir. Same school, but different choir. We have a few choirs. And then that same day, I saw the live action Little Mermaid, which was so good. I do have a video coming soon all about my thoughts and reviews about that amazing movie. Yeah. So my new schedule for the summer is Monday and Fridays. I think that will give me enough time to get some videos done. I think when I did 3 times a week, it got too much and way too stressful. So I'm gonna try to do 2 times to see if I can get back in the routine of doing 2 videos. So we'll see how that goes for the summer. Of course, that's not permanent, so I'm just gonna do 2 times for the summer, and I'll see what my schedule is for next fall. And I'll get there and decide what I'm gonna do then when it's the fall. So yeah. Other thing is I'll be posting on my Instagram a lot more, so make sure you follow. Hi, I'm Lydia Rose, to see reels post on my Instagram, knowing when I'm uploading, when I'm not, so you can stay in the loop. Yeah. Enjoy all the footage I got through April, May, and June. There's a lot of it. I'm glad that I still kept the videos to put it into a video now. It's all chopped up throughout those months, but now I get to finally share all the footage I got that couldn't make it to a final video of its own. So enjoy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Lydia, and today's video is a vlog. So I brought my Disney bag and a few things that we're going to use for the pictures. It says, watch and you'll see, someday I'll be part of your world. I loved Little Mermaid. This is my favorite movie by all times. And then I have some papers to throw as well. Ah! Wait, I don't want that to fall. Oh no! Okay. And then I have my other cap, the one I'm going to use for graduation because we can't have decorated ones. Some pictures. And then I have my heels. And my heels. And then I have a confetti cannon. I'm so excited to use this confetti cannon, but it's scary because it's like one and done. Like, I cannot mess up on this. So I'm excited to use this. Yeah, so I packed this all in my Disney bag. I really love these bags because you can use them with, like I said, whenever. Okay, so I forgot to mention, but there's my gown. I'm also using that for pictures. And this week is my last week of school, which feels so weird to say that. It feels weird because it's like I'm not coming back to the building at all. I'm moving on. So it feels really weird. It probably won't hit me until summer. Even after, I've asked friends and they said it didn't hit them until freshman year of college. So it's gonna feel really weird, like not to come back to the school. I'm just still in shock that we have 1 week left and then we have graduation and open house. Actually, switch the order. Open house, then graduation. I thought it'd be smarter to do it before graduation because usually by after graduation people just kind of want to go their own ways. Unless they have like some athletic event or some other stuff. So that's why I did it kind of the opposite order. But I'm really excited. So I'll also be filming that sometime too. My open house, like the decorations we used, set up, all that. And my graduation. It'll probably be a 2-part video again just to make it easier for editing. Oh wow, I still can't believe this is all happening. Yeah. Okay, I know I sound like kind of more in shock, and we all knew this day was coming, but I think it's because now it's actually happening that it's like, we're actually doing this. I'm actually leaving in a week, and I'm not coming back. Okay, so I'll catch you guys after pictures. I'll try to film as much as I can. I cannot promise that I will just because there's only 2 of us. I don't want to just set my camera on the ground at all. So, yeah. So I'll talk to you guys after pictures. have to get done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.